On the workbench, we have a Sylvania new old stock 12AX7 vacuum tube, a tube socket with integral shield, and a vacuum tube puller. Let's remove the shield. We can then install the tube. You'll notice there's a gap between pins 1 and 9. There's a corresponding gap in the socket. We can install the shield. It's spring-loaded, so it will stay on very tightly. To remove the tube, remove the shield. We'll use the tube puller in this case. We press it onto the tube, and then we rock back and forth as we pull the tube out of the socket. And now, to release the tube from the puller, we're going to push this button. And the tube is now free.